How to fix dial pad making squeaky duck toy sound on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. From here, tap on the settings icon. Next, scroll down and then tap on sounds and vibration. Then tap on system sound. At the top here, tap on system sound theme. Now you may see that it will set it to fun. So set it back to Galaxy and then make sure you tap on the back key. If you don't tap on the back key, it may not save the changes, so it will not apply the change. And here, you want to double check to make sure it's a Galaxy. Now tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And we open up your phone application. This time you can see there is no more squeaky duck toy sound. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.